So before we get into this lecture, I just want to let you guys know briefly that I am not affiliated with this site at all. I'm not being paid or sponsored by this site to let you guys know this information. This is just simply a very secret way to get monetized on YouTube if you guys wanted to go this route. Now, I highly suggest not going this route. If you guys want to be an organic YouTuber and start from scratch and grow your channel organically, I would highly suggest doing it that way. But I know there are some people who don't have the time to do that and want to get started on this side hustle so they can grow it and make it their main hustle, to grow it and make it a career as fast as they possibly can. And I understand that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and explain to you guys what this site is called. It is called epicnpc.com. Now, this is a marketplace that sells all kind of things as far as social media. You guys can buy accounts from this site for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, anything, you name it, even YouTube. Now, what most people are doing who start YouTube channels is they save up some money from their current job, which is about $500, and they take this money and they go ahead and purchase a monetized channel, okay? Now, there is sellers, some are called social media solutions you guys can check out if you guys are interested. What you guys can go ahead and do is you can go over here to this site and you guys can go ahead and just see what they have for sale, and then you can message them and then they can help you with the process. They have a middleman trading system, so if you want to go ahead and buy from this site, when you purchase it, it will be a middleman who takes the money, then they get the account details, and then it is just a quick swap. Once the person receives the money and you receive the details, smooth transaction, you can go on with your day. Now, me personally, I have tried this only one time where I purchased a monetized channel, and I'm going to tell you guys my honest opinion on it and how it went, okay? So what I did was I purchased a monetized channel just from this exact site, and I wanted to see how it worked. Number one, the subscribers are botted, so they're not real, and you won't get any real views from these subscribers. These subscribers are literally just a number on your YouTube channel. And the monetization, the CPM was pretty low, so I didn't make a lot of money from this channel, and the channel is still working today and it's still active. I can go ahead and get on it if I really wanted to, but I really haven't had a chance to really just sit there and grow the channel. Number one, because it is a botted channel, so it's not really going to do well in the search engine, I know for a fact. And on top of that, with this channel, as far as monetization, if I make any mistakes, it can be disabled very quickly. Now, when I went ahead and purchased this, they told me a few rules. They told me I couldn't change it to my Google AdSense account. They told me I had to have a Google AdSense account that was aged, and it couldn't be a brand new AdSense account, because then YouTube would notice that it's something that's not organic, and they would go ahead and basically disable monetization. They also told me I couldn't make any major changes on the site every single day. It had to be once every single 24 hours. I had to make a change. If I wanted to change the name, it had to be once every 24 hours. If I wanted to go ahead and change anything I had to change on this channel, I had to go ahead and wait 24 hours to do so, okay? Now, honestly, there were so many restrictions with this channel, I really didn't even want to be bothered with it after I found out that there were so many restrictions with it and that it could be disabled for monetization at any time. So what I went ahead and did is I posted one video on this channel. It was a compilation video of some kids raging about a video game, and shortly after I posted that video, the whole entire channel was demonetized. So that is something that could happen if you go this route. I just wanted to give you guys a fair warning and let you know that this site isn't always the best route to go. Now, it does work, and if you follow by their rules, you will be able to keep this channel monetized forever. If you do original content, you shouldn't get demonetized, and if you follow the rules of not changing anything major on this channel while you're trying to grow it, you guys should be fine. Now, like I said, this is the site Epic NPC. It is a secret way to get monetized on YouTube very quickly. It does cost money, but for that money you're paying, you're saving a lot of time of grinding to 1,000 subscribers and also grinding to that 4,000 watch hours, okay? So this is something you guys can check out. If you're interested, go ahead and search it up.